Dear students, today the same lesson I am going to teach you. The first one, the Second World War. The first point, economic distress. Economic distress. What is economic distress? What is economic distress? You know, Germany had become very, very loser at the end of the Second World War because of the wrong policy of Hitler. What Hitler had done? Hitler committed so many mistakes during the last half of his, war. His strategy was wrong because what he planned out came to be wrong, and as a result, during the situation when Hitler should withdraw from the war, the war should have been withdrawn. Hitler didn't do it because he wanted to capture the whole Europe. It was a great mistake of Hitler. Europe was a shattered continent, So extensive bombing and attack had reduced bridges, factories, railway systems, and as a result, millions of people, young men, died. Young men died, and the reconstruction of Europe was a very difficult task for the European leaders. And not only that, the Second World War, was a war like the earlier World War, caused enormous destruction throughout the whole Europe. Destruction of life, destruction of property. Almost every European state had experienced the bombing of cities and towns. The war killed millions of civilians as well as soldiers, and also left millions of people permanently disabled for life. It caused massive destruction throughout Europe. Massive destruction of fields, massive destruction of common people, mills, workshops, houses of the common people. So the region called Misery Belt, which was called the Misery Belt from the area that was from Baltic to Black Sea, where the destruction, resulted in deaths of millions of people, properties, ships, weapons. That area was known as Misery Belt, and that very belt was from Baltic Sea to Black Sea. In Europe, represented a tragic scene of ruined buildings, works. The unprecedented damage caused by the use of, nuclear weapons at Hiroshima and Nagasaki, that was another important factor. It also resulted in millions of men's death, and rest of them who were still alive, they had been suffering from skin diseases and other diseases. The environment was really greatly affected due to explosion of atomic bombs over there. The radioactive dust contaminated natural resources which killed flora and fauna also. Destroyed the ecology of the region. The vast areas lands were rendered unworthy of cultivation due to explosion of the atom bomb. So the war caused acute scarcity of food, commodities, clothes, kerosene, etc., etc. Prices shot up sky high, made the life of millions in every country miserable. The standard of living came down drastically. So, it is said that the Second World War proved to be blessings in disguise for a number of Eastern countries came under Western control, dominion. The British, the Dutch, the French and the Italian empires migrated in the countries, and the anti-colonial and national movement started in many of the colonies. And many countries which were under their colonial rules, now they all became independent. For example, India, Pakistan, Burma, China, Indonesia, Israel, Iran, Lebanon, Ethiopia, Libya, and a host of countries own independence from their imperial masters at the end of the Second World War. And another important consequence of the Second World War was birth of the big powers. Who were the big powers? Before the outbreak of the Second World War, European states, namely Britain, France, USA, Germany, Italy, Japan, they also had their own ranks. But after the war, the Axis powers, Germany, Italy and Japan, who were defeated, their territories were occupied by foreign armies. So Great Britain longer remained a leading power. So the position of France also declined on account of war revenges. Russia became predominant in Europe. United States of America witnessed a golden age of war. The Soviet Union, Soviet Russia and the United States of America emerged as superpowers. And another important point, that is division of Germany. The Federal Republic of Germany, commonly known as West Germany, was administered by Britain, France and USA, with West Berlin as its capital. The German Democratic Republic, means GDR, commonly known as GDR, came under the control of Russia, with East Berlin as its capital. It was the communist bloc controlled by Russia GDR became a part of it, because the communist bloc Russia controlled it, Russia captured it. So this is about the division of Germany. The entire parts of the world, were controlled by the two superpowers of the world, Russia and America. Under their pressure, as I mentioned earlier, many countries of Asia, Europe, and Africa became independent countries. Our country, India, also became an independent country because of the political pressure of USA. The political pressure of USA, the political pressure of Russia, the British had to shift power to the Indians in the year 1947. India became an independent country. Besides India, other countries of Europe also, Europe, Asia and Africa also became independent countries. The names already I have mentioned. So, by this way, the entire situation of the whole world totally changed. And almost all, political maps also are changed due to the Second World War, due to the destruction of properties, destruction of millions of people. The political map of Europe also was changed due to the Second World War. Next day I shall discuss about the horrors of the Second World War. Half part I discussed today, and now the rest of the part I shall teach you next day. And establishment of the League of Nations and the reason why was it failed, what was the most important cause of conflict. Next day I shall discuss, I shall teach you up to this. Thank you.